Alright guys, I told you that I will not be trading more usually, but I saw this good setup on gold. Alright, I want to show you something quickly from the 2 hour time frame. Alright, from using the line chart, I saw that price broke this resistance level. It fed target here, gave a push down, then broke it up, then came down into it again. So that's why I bought from this level, and I'm expecting price to shoot to this up. Alright, so that's for that. So on the 5 minutes here, on the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes. So if you can see this 15 minutes, this is Friday low, and this other block here, price target. Price opened and broke structure, came back into this zone, and there is a mini resistance in this point. This consolidation here, this whole consolidation over here. Immediately I saw price broke, I placed that place as my entry as lower time support for price to go up. All right, so that's how I call this trade, and let's see how it will go. Let's see, I'm on the trade already. Let me show you how it's going on my account. I had 2 positions early, and I placed one position at I think I set one position as limit, so this was the limit. Then I entered this to manually, so I'm just risking almost 1% of my account. 29 plus 29 is 60. 60 plus 25 is $85 roughly. That's what I'm risking on this trade. 85 to get, I think this one is 75, then this one is 60, then the other one is 70. But let's say I do, it's massively going against me. If you can see, this is the balance I came out with last week, $502. If this trade eventually go for stop loss, I won't be trading again till I think the guy will start another good setup, because I'm writing exam this period and I wouldn't want this video to be long. So let's see how it goes. This is what it's doing on the 5 minutes. I know to use this breaker block for these 5 minutes to buy, so that's why I entered the trade. Let's see how it goes, please.
Oh wait, jeez. I was on YouTube watching way ups and all that. Look at what price did to me. Almost at my stop loss. It's not take it sharp. But I feel like just closing this trade now. The trade is not just looking very, very good again. The trade is not looking good again. This trade might just as well take me out. It's not looking fine again. Let me not come and close the trade now. And I just feel I should close this trade on 1% loss. But I just decided to risk it. All these problems, if you don't risk a lot, you cannot actually pass the account. I'm so tired. Why now? After all the I'm risking $85 on this trade. I'm not closing. I've entered the trade. A risk is a risk. A risk is a risk, right? A risk is a risk.
Good for one reason. You see that this trade will still come at stop loss, even after all this stuff, because it's actually building liquidity at this zone. But one thing you know about good is, whenever I see something like a double bottom like this from this 15 minutes, it tends to push up. That's why I was so confident about this trade, that this trade must be a TP. Oh, your confidence will whine you. Okay, can see that it's got to this point again, got back to entry, right? And now it's coming down. But let's see what pre-London will do, because we'll soon enter 7 o'clock. If session is almost over. Let's see. You can see this trade from almost stop loss to up. If this trade become a take profit trade, I think this trade is about how many percent? If you give me close to 3%, I'm risking 1.5% to get 3%. I guess 85 to get 100 and 800. I think it's 3%, 4% if this trade is TP. Yes, let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm already up 1:1. I'm breaking even on this trade. All right. I'm breaking. I'm reducing my stop loss by half. 25 should be 12.5. I want to just reduce the stop loss because the risk on this trade is very high. But since it's pushing fine, right? Yes, I'm up 1:1 now. But I will not break even yet because of London. London has not opened, so that it will not come and take me out. So I think I'm risking just $30 on this trade. But let's see how it goes. I'll update you. See, I'm up 90 at some point. I'm holding this trade. I'm not closing shit. Holding this trade. If the next 1 hour candle can be just bullish like this, I'll to be TP. I should not be bothered. I like This kind of days where it's very rare, like you almost see stop loss and you're not in massive profit, is rare. I'm not that kind of lucky guy in trading. See, I'm almost up 100. Bro, this thing is 1:1. I need to break even. Because if this trade come and take me out, I'll have myself to blame. So let me just break even. Regardless of anything that wants to happen, because it's now the trade has gone for 1:1. Right? Yeah, breaking even on this trade. If you later come to our break even, then we'll not be losing anything again. Risk free trade, guys. Network. Alright, I'll catch you guys. Peace. Alright, guys. You see that this trade was almost at thick profits, but sellers are induced in the market. So I went to my 1 minute and I broke even. I cannot see $64 because that was what happened to me last week, and my break even will now be somewhere there, $4. Or no, I already placed my break even at this juncture. Let me take this one to this point. So when price gets here, I should be closing out on this trade. So I already hit TP1. Thank God for TP1. I already hit TP1, opening of TP2. So with that leverage of the profit, I knocked another big lot size on. Risking $45 to get next. Just 1:2 on GBP USD. Let's see how it will go. I just pray that this goes straight. Go to my TP1. This thing TP is $200 up. But let's see. Never can tell. So I will get you guys. But I just told you I have secured my trades. After I hit this TP, making 4% on that good trade, I decided to enter GBP UD trade. I just wanted to pass this account today. I saw the setup, so I risked I think 30, 25 plus a 57 or a $60 on this trade to get 4%. But fortunately, it was going against me. So I will get this trade if it's later a tick profit or a stop loss, because it's almost at my stop loss. Remember, this was how the good trades did, and it went to take profit. Possibly this is how this one we do to go to take profit. But let's see how it goes out. The take space. It's gradually retracing. But all these currency pairs are not like gold that we just move once, right? Let's see. I think this trade is a 50 pip trade. A 50 pip trade, but let's see. Peace. Update on the GPU UD trade, guys. I had to tighten my stop loss when this alright, I already made videos on that. So this is the trade. This is 12 pip. It was about, I was risking, so the 1:2 trade, but I've started my stop loss. It's now looking like a 1:4 trade. It's now looking like a 1:4 trade. It's just 50 pip, and I hope AUD will deliver this thing for me. So on my account, if this trade take profits, you can see it was 76. So I know it has dropped because of network issues, and I'm not. Oh God, I see network issues. You can see it's now 50 from 76 to 50. That means I was up $40 here. So this trade has did more than 1:1. I don't even know if I should break even or I should just reduce my stop loss to this one, because this trade is just consolidating. I beg, let me just be at the safer side. So on this trade now, I'm risking just $15. I think I'm okay with that one. So, but if this trade goes to my take profit, then I should be passing phase 1 of my account today. I wanted to see a body candle close above this level, and I got it already. So the trade now is not valid. But the trade can still decide to be so stupid at the same time. Alright. But if this trade comes to this zone again, that means it's my stop loss I want to come and take. So let me just be okay with this one, or let me go to 1 minute and break even. No, let's still hold. You can see I was up 70, I was up to 80. So let's see if we can pass this account today. All right, hello guys, this is the trade, and I'm up on 319. $400 is the phase 1 profit target. I'm just waiting for this trade to get to 400. So this trade came back to, like, I have not said breaking that time. So the trade came back to entry and moved again. So I now place my break even. Very soon I will be increasing my break even once this 5 minutes candle finish closing. I will increase my break even, and let's see how it goes. I'm up 326. I just pray this thing did not reverse. If it can just go, woo! I've passed my phase 1. Alright, let me go and take my bath. I'll come back and check up on this trade. How it's going. Peace. Maybe I will break even when this candle finish closing, because I don't want to hear story. Let me secure $20 first. It can just reverse. So, but let's wait. Hello guys. I'm in school. I was up on about $130 on this trade, right? But trade is retracing massively, and I'm closing. I already placed my break even. If you check, let me show you. Because $74. That was about $140. But I'm still holding on to this trade, and I have my break even on $20. But let's see how it goes. Possibly I'm going to TP. Right. So welcome back, guys. I don't know if I recorded that I entered this trade, but the trade already TP. This is 1:2 trade.
I guess. So the trade got to this point, alright. And immediately I saw it coming back. I already don't want it so I had to use my stop loss. And I went to sleep. I just came back and I saw that it's on TP. As for the Euro USD, the Euro USD hit my stop loss. Crazy. Look at it. It broke my zone and hit my stop loss at this point. Look at it. Immediately I just entered, the thing ran down and hit my stop loss, then ran up. So look at it, it's back at entry now. I want to take this trade, I would have taken it again, but no, I left Euro US because it's becoming stupid. So later I saw that it's becoming stupid. Oh god, wait, first my message me. Later I saw that it's becoming stupid. I had to go to GBP USD and I took this buys on GBP USD. So it's a 1:4 trade. Based on my stop loss is at 7 on pip. So I'm using 7 pip to get 30 pip. Yep, let's see how it goes. This was the zone I've been waiting for from the higher time frame. I'm price already got there. I want to see a push up at first. At least it's not trend that I'm looking for, please. Look at what I'm looking for. Horizontal line. At least a run above this high. Alright, if I can get a run above this high, I'll be very, very happy on this place. So that's the TP. So this is how it's going. Right, you see my entries at different levels, and I'm making just 6, 7, and $7. 14 plus 6. That is, let's say, $21 to get to $90 in this trade. That is just a 1:3 trade. 1:4, I guess. I don't know. So this is how it looks like. And on my history, this was the Euro USD that I stop loss because I was risking $25 to get, I think, $60 or $70. So I can pass this account because I already know the good, but the good now hit TP. So you can see my balance. I'm up 5,300. So I want to go and read my book because I'm preparing for my final exam. So I just hope that this trade will just successfully go to my direction before morning, or at least it should hit TP by longer session. I don't know. But it looks good, right? It looks good. Well, let's see how it goes. So hello guys, welcome back. I think I reached 7. The highest risk I reached on this trade is 7, and I'm up 1:, because the trade actually is a 1:4 trade. So I can see price. I've done this. So regardless, even if I know that, oh, I want to break even, I cannot afford to use my profits for Sarah. So I was on 9 tablets. Alright. Price already more than 1:1.5 hour. So I think the best thing for me now is to break even. Let me do this one and go and break even on my other account. Alright. Let's see how far it can go. I think pre-London should take this thing to TP. It's as if it's very long, but it's not long. Alright, let's go. Hi. So guys, today is still Tuesday. This is pre-Wednesday. I got into this trade at I think it was 7 or 6 something in the evening. So this was after the CPI. I wanted to catch a quick 100 pip, but the trade was almost at my sale. So yep, that's it. So look at this thing. Like, I want to show you guys something. This thing did not take my stop loss. I'm still amazed. Wow. And if this trade later turned out to become a take profit, then I will pass this account. Alright, I just need $90 to pass this account. But let's see how it goes. So welcome back guys. This is GPUSD. This is the zone we are waiting for the buys. Alright. So market has started that zone. I just went down to my 15 minutes. And I think I saw a very beautiful setup. Alright. So this entry was on my other account and this one was on my profile. I'm trying to pass. But based on this profile, I just place my take profit at this point. I do not want to be very greedy. Before I will start swinging the how they call it, buys now, I would like to see price close above this high. Once I is taking out, then we can now look for buy entry and start going up. For now, let's just catch this short movement. All right. So this is the trade, and this is how it's going. This account don't want me to pass it on. I'm just so confused. All right. Just the 34 pip. This was the main SL, so I kept it. So that was the purpose of the video. 11 to get 34. It's 1:3 trade. So this was the goal of yesterday. After seeing about $40 on this trade, I reduced my SL and it closed at stop loss, but very tight stop loss. Let's check what gold is doing now. Gold has smashed the place I placed my take profit, and this account could have been passed by this gold, but it took my stop loss. I was assuming I had closed on that $40. I had made another 60. I would have closed on this, like I would have been done with this account, but it is what it is. I think this trade is already 1:2.5. I have to break even now to have first to read that touch. So yes, let me break even, and I'll go and do same on my other accounts after I finish recording this video. Because we are going for a $34, we're already on 20. Trade got to 29. So let me break even and let's see how the trade will go. If this trade take profit, I'm passing this account because the take profit is a $102, I guess. So I'll be passing this account, but let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm on 386. I'm at the verge of passing this account. GU, please be nice. GU, please be nice. Look at the way I'm begging GU, please be nice. Please. I have to pass this account today because since this week, this account, I've been trying to pass it. It is refusing to pass. Like, GU, please be nice. Alright, I'll keep updating you guys. I need to pass this account today because my whole pressure is like, I've passed this account. I don't know why the account is still wasting time. I'm so tired. I've been hitting break even since on Monday. What is this? Look at this trade. Those 3 GPUs you saw at $80. Look at where it closed. I wanted to close. I said when this thing retraced to like 40, I would just close with $40. Unfortunately, network off. I will drop a screenshot where I specialized my phone. There was no network. You can see I'm using H+. I had to change to 2G7. Now I'm on this trade. Now this trade has gone. Just 1:3 is your problem. I already did break even on these two, and anyone that the market wants to do, should just do because me, I'm tired. What's this? Come on. I'm so tired, I beg. Just $100. Let me pass this account. Oshimba. Short. Welcome back, everybody. This is the GBUSD trade I was telling you guys about last week, right? The trade has started moving now. And on my 15 minutes time frame, I think I could have passed my account with this trade, but it keeps hitting me out. This was the first trial. Like, I've been buying since. This one still hit my break even also. But I'm on the trade already again. Alright, and if not for its management of trade, you can see that I would have passed my account. And I'm on this USDJPY sales. Network did not allow me to do this analysis. I think I entered for this particular sale yesterday, so I closed out of the trade, and the trade went for my stop loss. I think I entered this trade from this level. Alright, and my stop loss is like, I don't even know where, but I think from this level, I guess. And I'm going for this level here. Alright, so I think I'm on this trade because I did the analysis on my MT5 because of network issues I'm having here. So this is the trade. GPUSD is already on 69 pip. Right, my take profit is 100 pip. Right, I entered this trade since yesterday, and I've already broken even. And this USDJPY is I think is $40 trade. So I don't know if I should just, because I need just $150 to get this thing done, but I have 141. I should just adjust this on to 50. What if it doesn't get there? Well, we'll see about that. The quick 1:3 trade. We'll see about that. Alright, peace.
So hello guys, this is my trade on GPUSD. Still holding on to this trade. As you can see, this trade did $70 for my last recording. This particular one. I don't know what's wrong with me. I did not close, so I saw that price. I entered another buy here. Let's see how the new week will go. I just pray this new week goes well. Once market opens, maybe I will reduce my stop loss. I will remove my stop loss because of spread. I've seen this buy. I don't know why this market closed like this. If USD is supposed to buy, you just coming too crazy. Well, let's see. So this is the whole history for last week. All right, I still came out with 234. Like I'm up to 23 on my account. So